In this video, I'm going to share some keyboard shortcuts that you can use to quickly shift between views in the comp panel. The first setting is a magnification setting in the lower left corner. Obviously, you can click on the pull downs and make adjustments accordingly, but sometimes it's quicker just using the key command. The first command that I use quite often is Shift/key. It looks like the question mark key. That will automatically resize the window. So no matter what size I move my panels around, it'll go ahead and increase or decrease the magnification to give me the maximum view possible. Now the next variation on that, I use the / key to quickly toggle to 100% magnification. This way I can quickly double check the sharpness or clarity of whatever it is I'm working on. Now in conjunction with changing the magnification, sometimes I like to be able to change the resolution. That's this pull down right here. Now most of the time I have it set to auto. That way, when we zoom in and out, it'll change its resolution. So instead of snapping to 100% magnification or fit to window, you can just step through magnifications using the comma key and the period key. Now notice when I set my resolution to automatic, it's automatically updating as I change my magnification settings. Now what if I just want to change my resolution settings independent of my magnification settings? And I want to do that using keyboard shortcut. Well, that's when the Command J or Control J commands come in. So if you're on Windows, you can use the control versions instead of when I say command. The way we layer these is like this. Command J will automatically set at full resolution. So Control J on Windows. If you add a shift to that equation, so Command Shift J or Control Shift J, that will set it to half resolution. And then if you add the Option key or the Alt key on Windows, then press J, that will set it at 1/4 resolution. Let's just press Command J or Control J to get back up to 100% resolution. Now the last thing I like to be able to adjust in the comp view very quickly is the ability to view the different channels. To give you a better example of that, let's go to the Energized Type composition. In here I have a graphic with an alpha channel. Now quickly I'll press my / button to make sure that I'm viewing at 100% magnification. Now to quickly go between channels, I'm going to hold the Option key on the Mac. It's Alt and Windows, and then you can press 1, 2, 3 and 4 to step through each of the different channels, red, green, blue and the alpha channel. Now if you prefer to actually look at the color channels with the color overlay, you can press Shift Option or Shift Alt and then it's 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now if you press 4 again while holding Shift Alt or Shift Option, it'll toggle between the straight overlay and just the normal RGB view. With the straight overlay, you can see any of the straight channels all applied one on top of each other. And since this graphic was rendered with a straight alpha channel, I have that little bit of overprint that's going on the edges of the word. So I'm going to hold Shift and Option, Shift and Alt on Windows, and press 4 to toggle between those views. Now that's just a quick tour of some of the comp view shortcut keys that I like to use when I'm working in After Effects.